So guys, as you can see, this is our transformer, and this is the MOSFET driver we are using, and the oscillating circuit, guys. So this is the gate of the two MOSFETs, and we are connecting it to this output wire of the oscillator. And this is our transformer, guys. I will leave a diagram video link below on how I made this transformer back then, guys. And this is our MOSFET. So this is the oscillator. So this is the output of the transformer. We are going to connect it here, guys, to the socket, and this is the switch, so that we are going to use to switch it on and off, guys. So guys, as you can see, the gate of the MOSFET, the both MOSFET, as you can see, this one and this one, guys, was connected to the output of this oscillator. I will leave a diagram of this oscillator below and the video, guys. So this is the drain wire and the second drain wire. We are connecting it to this end and this end, guys, and this is our positive input. Of this MOSFET, the both MOSFETs, we connected one down here and the second one up here, guys. And this is our positive input. This is 606 turn secondary winding. So guys, this is the output wire, as you can see, that came from the transformer, the output wire, as you can see, guys. So we have to connect it to the pin here, two pin here, guys. So this will be our output, as you can see, guys. Guys, as you can see, this is the positive, this one with blue wire, and I connected it to the positive of this oscillating circuit, and the negative to the N channel MOSFET negative. As you can see, this is the second negative, guys, in parallel to this one, and we connected it together with the negative of this oscillator. So this will be our battery input, plus and minus, guys. So we are going to use this collector to connect it together, connect the wire together, guys. So guys, as you can see, I've already connected our connector. This is the negative wire and this is the positive wire, guys. As you can see, the green wire here is for the positive and this is the negative. So we are going to connect the output to the connector right now, guys, and the switch to the input of this battery, as you can see. So I'm going to remove it here, connect the switch. So guys, as you can see, this is our switch and this is the two wire. One I connected from the input wire, as you can see, guys, this input wire to the switch, and the second wire to the input positive, guys. So that's our switch and this is our output, as you can see, guys. So I just want to show you guys how I make it. So we are going to cover it now and test it. So guys, this is our battery, 12-volt battery, 3.7 volts in series. So this is the positive and the negative. So guys, we want to test our inverter, and this is 100-watt bulb. As you can see guys, this is 100 watts. So let's test it guys. So as you can see guys, our project is working. So guys, we want to use this 40 watts and see how bright it is. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe guys. Thank you.